tell you what happened.
Oh, Sawyer, he wanted to stop coming up here to the Bojangles. Sawyer, tell the folks back home what just happened.
I'll tell you what happened.
Oh, Sawyer, he wanted to stop coming up here at the Bojangles.
Don't you listen.
And what happened?
Every time that we go fishing, something goes wrong.
Yeah, what happened though?
We can't never just get in the water. So,
Old truck ran dead.
Lincoln left his lights on.
We had to get a jump.
Had to get a
Close
jump.
that, hey, close that hood. Man, we got our biscuits. We're getting a late start.
Getting a real late start.
Old Whistle Britches there jumped us off. Sorry, bud.
Buddy.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
We wanted to come back over and talk about some dog business. Good stuff, right?
Yeah.
What we trying to do today, Sar?
We're gonna go out to Lake James and try to cook up on some smallmouth, you know?
Little smallmouth, you know.
Never know.
I gotta get back out and get my Mountain Dew since I was sitting on the curb waiting for a jump. We'll be back with y'all. Broke down on the interstate. Couldn't get the boat spring. We're out here now. We're gonna hope for the best.
Time to do some fishing. Rough start. Fish on though. Fish on.
I just want to see that smallmouth flop up out of the water. There he is. Oh, he's pulling some drag. What's fun on that light tackle, ain't it? No, that was a gold spoon. Yeah. I was just letting it troll, coming over here. I wonder if that GoPro's getting it in there. Alright. Just throw him in. There's water. Just throw him back. See if my minnow still alive. I think it died. Gold spoon, man. I was just letting it troll. Well, they are stacked up right there, ain't they? Yeah. Yeah, we recording. There you go. There you go. Hold him up here. What's that? Yeah, go ahead and hold it up here, Sawyer. Out in front of the camera. Okay, that's his. We done let mine go earlier. First small. Let me release. What's up, everybody? Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe. This was our first time, well, Sawyer's first time hitting up Lake James, my second. We didn't really know much about the lake or how to fish it. It's a little different than what we're used to. Clear water, colder temperatures. The fish wasn't really up on the banks for us. But yeah, we'll be hitting up some other lakes here soon. High Rock, Norman, Hickory. So yeah, make sure to subscribe and keep up with our videos. Thanks.